When you're ready to discharge your patient, you're going to open the chart and you're going to go to the discharge plan. This opens up to this form, and at the top is the problem list, and it can be edited from here. Next is the condition. You left click to circle the condition. Disposition, same thing, you left click. Referrals, you go to the drop down, it opens up, and it's on all providers. On the space bar you can type the doctor's name in and it'll pull him up, or you can click on known providers and it'll bring up all the physicians that were consulted during this admission on the patient. Here you can click on the clipboard and you can write when the patient's to see the doctor and any notes that you want. Patient education, under the drop down, is related to the patient problem list. You can pick instructions. You can do it by current problems or look up. You can enter a new problem. Select it, and then it'll pull it on to the instruction form. Diet activity instructions is a free text, and we can also build canned text per doctor if they would like. Prescriptions and medication reconciliation, you open the drop down and it brings you to the convert screen. Hospital medications and home medications that are the same will be linked together. The home medications have a little house in front of them. Start by resuming the home medications and work from there. You can discontinue a medication, you can resume it, or you can resume with a prescription. If you click with the prescription, it's going to give you the red edit button, and it wants you to add a quantity for the tablets. Anything that's green here can be edited, the dose or the frequency of the medication. Also, you have the Any Order tab, and you can add any medication that you want that's not listed here. When you're ready, you submit. You'll be presented with a conflict screen if there's any conflicts. You can erase or override them. Pick your reason, and then you can put your PIN in and you'll be complete with the medications. This is the print transmit screen for the prescriptions. If you want the patient to have a prescription, you click the second box. Transmit, print, and it'll print to the location that you're out. And you have to remember that you must sign all prescriptions that are printed on the floor. The last step of the discharge is to enter the order by clicking. It's entered here, but this will alert the nurse electronically that an electronic order for discharge has been placed. You can save this. Now that you've done the discharge, you can go to the document, hit new, and you can do your discharge summary. When you open this, it'll open to the physical exam. If you want to do a physical exam before the patient's discharge, you can, or you can go right to the discharge tab. Reason for visit will be entered. Problems will be entered that are current and active on the patient. Hospital course, under the drop down, is a free text, and you can bring in data formats. Condition, diet, referrals, and disposition will all drop in from the discharge instructions. The home medication list will be entered if you do the discharge instruction plan first, and it will be the correct list of all the home medications. We also have a quality measure tab. If you want to enter any exclusions, you can do it here. When you're finished, you can save and view, look at your report, and you can save it and enter your PIN. And your discharge will be complete.